Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Investing Podcast. This is your Stock Market Power Lunch, and it's going to be a quick one. We're in the middle of a portfolio management meeting committee. We're in the middle of trying to defend a Pokegym nearby from some traders, and particularly intern Austin and intern Scotty. The red team, for those wondering, of the Pokémon Narwhal Club is really strong. Myself, Matt Burton, Matthew Krebsbach plays on several teams. I don't understand what's going on there, so he's actually really the Benedict Arnold in this whole thing. Ben Nye, Team Red. Sam Frost, Team Red. So the red team is really where the professionals play. The interns are on the blue team. Right now we've got a really strong level 7 gem that we're trying to defend. Right now I can tell Austin's probably trying to maneuver something. We're going to have him and Scotty run some errands so that they can't have the gem. We're about to eclipse a 24-hour ownership period on this gem, so we want to hold it. So we're going to jump in really quick so that we can get back to the portfolio management meeting and definitely not playing Pokemon Go. Markets, Dow down 7 basis points, so less than 0.1%. S&P down 26 basis points, so about 0.25%. NASDAQ is up. Really strong day for the NASDAQ so far, up 33 basis points. Gold is up 40 basis points. Oil down 2.24%, down below $42 per barrel, folks. So that's quite a fall off, a 16% fall off from where it was not that long ago. Remember when we threw money everywhere because oil hit $50 a barrel? That seems like forever ago now because oil's just continued to fall. It's now below $42 per barrel. Couple stocks that we want to call out real quickly. Number one is Twitter. Twitter is down more than 13%. Again, we talked about monthly active users and all that stuff earlier. Not great numbers despite decent financial figures in their earnings report yesterday. Stock is continuing to sell off. It's down even lower than where it was when it opened up. We do have some good news for Twitter right here. Tomorrow, the Investing Podcast live. We do this every Thursday. We're going to hit it at 4:15 p.m. tomorrow. You can check that out at Tusk Media LLC. We'll have a Periscope link. Periscope is owned by Twitter, so we think we're going to do our part to really drive up those monthly active users. They're going to be weekly active users at least because they're going to check us out every Thursday when we do this thing live. So check that out Thursday, 4:15 p.m. tomorrow. So we're going to help Twitter out. Garmin, really strong day, up more than 11%. I honestly didn't really think that Garmin was still operating. But they make all the GPS devices, all that good stuff. So Garmin, really strong day. MPC, first of all, we ate at Marietta Pizza Company, real winner, solid day. I just got a salad, really watching my figure. It was about 50% lettuce, 50% blue cheese crumbles. So very healthy day for me. But MPC was very good. Also Marathon Petroleum, ticker MPC, increasing their quarterly dividend by 12.5%, but the stock is down about 1%. Kind of an interesting play there if you think oil is going to rebound, if you think the refinery business is a place to be, and if you think, hey, I really like dividends, especially without finding much yield in the fixed income space. Marathon Petroleum, interesting play right there. That's all we got for right now. We're going to come back in just a little while with the Investing Happy Hour. I'm going to try to do it myself so that I can get the trifecta. I haven't had all 3 episodes done by myself in quite some time, so I'm going to go for it. Dreaming big. Y'all have a great afternoon. Talk to you soon.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.